As ma'am has spoken, what is mind and what is brain? Even though both are different entities, they have some dualism. Brain is the matter and mind is invisible. Brain is the collection of physical structures, it's an organ, and in the brain is our mind. It's the phenomena of the thoughts, the memories, emotions that arise from the perceptual process of the brain. Through the brain, we control our emotions, our control of desire, our sexual activities, our awareness of the surroundings, our perceptions, and in nutshell, these are the functions of the mind, which is done through the brain. The other functions of the mind are thinking, decision making, memory, intelligence, logical analysis, judgment, creative ideas. If we divide the brain into different lobes, they are the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe, the parietal, the occipital, and the brainstem. All different lobes has their definite functioning. This slide is not very clear, but the frontal lobe is the seat of the highest decision-making capabilities, our social inhibitions. The parietal lobes makes us deal with the somatosensory perceptions. The temporal lobes deals with the memory, our emotions, and the brainstem deals with all the involuntary processes like the respiration, the breathing, the sleep we do. If we cut through the brain, we can find these little structures which is known as the limbic system. The limbic system mainly consists of the hypothalamus, the amygdala, the thalamus, and the hippocampus. These four structures form a very important mind in the a very important set in the brain, and these are the seats of the emotion, the memory, and the regulation of the bodily senses. And these basically control the mind we have. As we all know, the brain is divided into the left brain and the right brain. Both the sets have different functioning. The right brain deals with the creativity, the left brain deals with the mathematical abilities, language, etc. So, if we see the changes, the next few slides I will deal with the changes that each of the anatomical differentiations that goes through when we deal with all these Buddhist teachings, the preachings. Whatever the next few slides I am going to deal with are the studies that has been done on most of the monks, most of the spiritual leaders in Buddhism, and also some of the slides I have included. Those slides also depend upon the studies done on other spiritual leaders that are regularly associated with all this spiritualism and prayers and meditations.